Hey everyone, how are you? In this video we'll see about business studies project on principles of management. We have chosen the topic, Dominos, for the survey. Jubilant Food Works Limited is a Jubilant Bhartia Group company. The company was incorporated in 1995 and initiated operations in 1996. The company got listed on the Indian bourses in February 2010. Henri Fayol. Fayol wrote a book entitled, Industrial and General Administration. In this book, he gave the 14 principles of management. Fayol's 14 principles of management and its application in the organization. Division of work. According to this principle, work should be divided among individuals and groups to ensure that effort and attention are focused on special portions of the task. Discipline. A successful organization requires the common effort of workers. Penalties should be applied judiciously to encourage this common effort. Authority and responsibility. The concepts of authority and responsibility are closely related. Authority was defined by Fayol as the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience. Unity of command. Workers should receive orders from only one manager. A subordinate should take order from only one boss and he should be responsible and accountable to him. Unity of direction. The entire organization should be moving towards a common objective in a common direction. Centralization and decentralization. The concentration of decision-making authority is called centralization, whereas its dispersal among more than one person is called decentralization. Subordination of individual interests to the general interests. The general interest of the organization must be considered primary and individual must be secondary. Order. According to Fayol, there should be proper, systematic and orderly arrangement of physical and social factors, such as land, raw materials, tools and equipment and employees respectively. Stability of tenure of personnel. Retaining productive employees should always be a high priority of management. Recruitment and selection costs, as well as increased product reject rate, are usually associated with hiring new workers. Equity. The principle of equity relates to the treatment of subordinates. Managers should be fair and friendly to their employee. All employees should be treated as equally as possible. Initiative. Management should take steps to encourage worker initiative, which is defined as new or additional work activity undertaken through self-direction. Esprit de corps. These French words mean team spirit. Management should encourage harmony and general good feelings among employees. Managers should infuse the spirit of teamwork in their subordinates. Remuneration. Employees must be paid wages on time depending upon the factors such as cost of living, ability of the company to pay, prevailing wage rates in the industry, etc. Scalar chain. According to this principle, scalar chain refers to the line of authority and communication which moves in a straight line from the superior-most authority to the lowest subordinate. Questionnaire for Domino's employees. 1. What is your level of satisfaction about the working environment? 2. What are your working hours in Domino's? 3. How many shifts do you have to work for? Observation. I found that most of the employees were satisfied. They are provided with suitable environment for work, which enhances their productivity and efficiency over a period of time. Employees at high post were stable and majority of them are working in the organization for more than 1 year. Questionnaire for Domino's customers. Why do you prefer Domino's over the other fast food outlets? How often do you visit Domino's? Do you feel that the food offered is fresh and healthy? Observation. When I asked them about the reason why they prefer Domino's, I came to know that they prefer it for the all-at-one place, the quality of its product and its wide variety. Conclusion. The 14 principles of management can be used to manage organizations and are useful tools for forecasting, planning, process management, organization management, decision-making, coordination and control. Need complete project? Visit comgyan.com for full and more such projects.